Initiating simulation 025. Be quiet. The universe is a dark forest. Every civilization is an armed hunter stalking through the trees like a ghost. The hunter must be careful. If he finds another life, another hunter, an angel or a demon, he can only do one thing: shoot. Eliminate the threat before it eliminates you. In this forest, hell is other people. The universe is silent, not because it's empty, but because everyone else is smart enough to hide. Except us. We are the foolish child walking through the dark forest, shouting, "I am here! Come play with me!" We sent maps to our doorstep. We assume aliens will be friendly. Cosmic sociology says they will be efficient. Destroying us is safer than trusting us. They won't invade. They won't talk. They will just flick a star bullet at us to clean the area. A casual cleaning. Like stepping on a bug you didn't even notice. The Fermi paradox is solved. The silence is protection. Stop broadcasting. End log.